welcome back to the Nico Jazz channel. And today we're going to do the Elmers Slime Kit versus homemade slime. I think homemade slime is the best.
I think Elmer slime is the best.
Homemade.
Elmers.
Homemade.
Elmers.
Homemade.
Elmers.
Homemade.
Elmers.
Homemade.
Elmers.
Homemade.
Elmers. Homemade. Elmers.
3 hours later.
Homemade.
Wait, I can't. Wait, cut. I can't.
For this, we bought a big bottle of Elmer's glitter glue and a mini glitter pen. And we also bought this magic liquid, which is an activator, and Elmer's white glue.
Can I drink this?
No.
Wait.
So now we're going to make the Elmer's slime. Step 1, we add the Elmer's white glue. So now we're going to add the colors. For mine, I'm going to use this purple, the cute light blue, and the pink.
I'm gonna use pink and silver and blue to make purple.
The third step is to mix it.
3,
3, 2, 1.
1.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
gosh. It's turning purple. Light purple, I think.
Mine is turning really nice purple pink.
It looks like unicorn color.
It's like blueberry yogurt. I can make an ice cream with this, see? How may I help you? You want blueberry ice cream? Here you go. Oh, sorry. This was my slime. The next step is to add the magical liquid, which is activator. Boom. Now we got the activator. Ew, it smells gross.
Huh?
And I need to add. It kind of looks like water.
Yeah.
just going to mix it and put a little more of activator. Now let's mix it.
A few minutes later.
After you mix it, the slime doesn't stick to your hands.
Can you show us?
See?
Whoa!
Oh! This is how the Elmers slime turned out.
Can I eat it?
No. See? It doesn't stick to the table and this pen.
And to the floor.
Yeah? But don't stick this to your hair or your clothes.
Can I swap this? Be careful.
So we finished making the Elmer's slime and put the slime inside these containers. So next, we're going to make the homemade slime! For this, we bought washing detergent and a glue for clothes and food coloring.
And don't forget to subscribe the video. Doom, doom, doom.
So the first step, we add laundry glue. Let's add it.
I'm gonna do it, okay, by myself.
The second step, we add food colorings. Yay! My color is going to be green and yellow. And Nina's color is going to be
Blue, pink.
So let's add it. The third step, we mix. Let's mix it. Whoa!
No.
The color is so blue. Nice color.
Wait, my color is turning blue or... Oh yeah.
It's turning black maybe? No, it's turning purple. For the homemade one, it's kind of looks liquidy. Whoa.
Can I drink it?
No.
Looks like syrup. Let's all drink it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Cut, 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 cut.
So guys, we were just joking. Don't drink this. It'll make you sick. So for the last step, we add the laundry detergent. We're going to add it. It smells like apple juice.
Oh yeah. It smells.
I know. No, don't add too much.
I'm gonna add by myself. Can I?
And it smells so nice. Now we're going to mix it.
I need more my laundry
You
detergent.
need to, okay. I think so, yeah.
More.
Not much. This much. The laundry detergent is
A few minutes later.
so this is how the homemade slime came out.
Wow. So what do you guys do with this slime now?
Oh
You
wait.
can prank, you can play.
Prank? How do you guys prank with slime?
Like
So which one feels better between the Elmer's slime and the homemade slime?
The homemade slime, I can hear a really nice sound, and it's kind of, when you stretch it out, I can see you guys. And it's also kind of liquidy, but the Elmer's slime, the color is super light, and I can't see you guys through. See? Can you guys see me? And also, it kind of smells just like a normal glue, and also it's not liquidy.
Nico, which was easier to make, Elmer's slime or the homemade slime?
The homemade slime.
Why?
Because the homemade slime, we just need to add 3 ingredients, and it's super fast to make. Okay. So I think my favorite one, and the latest one, is the Elmer's slime.
Wow, so you like the Elmer's slime, eh?
Yeah, it's super comfy.
Me too, I love the Elmer slime. That's why we should make Elmer slime more and homemade slime.
I'm just kidding. Even though I like the Elmer's slime, I also like the homemade slime because the homemade slime is easier to make and it's also fast to make. It's up to you. Just do it with your parents and have some fun.
Bye.
Thank you guys, and subscribe this video. Bye.
And bye everyone. I hope you have to enjoy Lucky Day.